Hey, I'm Cindy Meyer with Seabolt Broker selling a coastal lifestyle. If you've been looking for an elegant townhome in a gated community on the water, you have just found it. Come on inside, I can't wait to show you. 53 Chaucer Street is located in Turner's Cove, a waterfront townhome community on Wilmington Island. The main level welcomes you to a generous seating area with gas fireplace flanked by 2 custom bookcases, a backlit display cabinet, and a gourmet kitchen with dining area, all with water views. 53 Chaucer also has a grand view through the square over Turner's Creek and all the way out to the Wilmington River and the Intracoastal Waterway. Once again, I'm Cindy Meyer with Seabolt Broker selling a coastal lifestyle. This is a great townhouse, isn't it? If you or anyone you know is interested in coastal lifestyle in Georgia, give me a call, 912-313-4799.